funny fact. Do you want to know what's the purpose of all these little rocks? This is used as a parking lot for the cars, for tourists who come here. And since brakes are not very good in Tunisia, they put rocks behind the wheels so that the cars do not fall down inside the water. Salt. You see this? This is the problem of tourism. This trash everywhere. At least this trash is gathered together, not just like spread everywhere to end up in the sea. But this is a huge problem, especially as I'm a local here. This is the story of this place. You see this very long and beautiful beach. Something like 15 years ago it was a wild beach. You see the stairs there? There were no stairs, it's only rocks, and therefore to go and swim you had to climb down. Where there was only families from the two villages, Sonin, where I'm from, and the Raf, which is on the way there. And then one day someone decided to build this little stairs, and it became a very touristic spot in Tunisia. Unfortunately, when tourists come, trash come, and this stupid private beaches come too, because this is the beach of everyone normally, not them. By the way, I'm not saying tourists are bad. I don't think they're bad. I think they're good. They bring money to the locals, and it's nice, you know, to be known for having one of the most beautiful beaches in Tunisia. But it's the behavior that's bad. You know, if anyone would like take its trash and take it out with him, like, the place would be way better. It's RC. You need to protect it, defend it, and clean it always. This is the problem, and this. After a nice little swim, you come here and you take yourself a little bit of argile like this, and you just wet it, make it wet a little, humidify it, and spray it on your face, on your body. You'll see why. Very good for the skin. Now that we've done, we've wet ourselves with salt water and we've done argile on our face and body, I'm going to get you to what I call the spring of youth, Ain Mestir. the spring of youth, aka Ain Mestir. This water is good for everything, skin, drink, for the sea, for everything. One of the best places you can find here in Tunisia. This is the best shower you ever had in your life. Just come. All you want is stay here all day long. Come get the bookmark. One final. Time to go home before the tourists come. I came in the morning so that it's empty, so better. Heroes of this place, the real heroes, people who collect the trash. This is the beach where the locals swim. It's not as beautiful, but it's way calmer and cleaner. السلام عليكم. لاباس الحمد لله.